The festival's a family affair. But this year, COVID-19 changed that. Once it was legal for her grandchildren to approach, the princess was ready to play school, mom.
They've got ponies and they come over and they can ride here. But they face the same challenges of everybody else in terms of homeschooling. And I think that is a challenge wherever you are. I've offered to try and do some outdoor learning, but so far it hasn't been taken up on. When I was small, we had to pick things and then press them and identify them. And I don't think anybody does that anymore. And I was thinking, might be a good idea if we started doing that again. Haven't seen hide nor hair of them at that suggestion. It's frustrating, I think, but look around him. It's not hard here. The idea of being stuck in a block of flats with small children and can't imagine how difficult that would be.
The Princess Royal didn't expect to spend her 70th year down on the farm. Working from home has been a challenge. The charity work is constant.
It's Tom here. I'm just going to introduce Her Majesty the Queen.
But country broadband isn't. These aren't your average conference calls either.
Good morning. At Windsor?
Good morning. I'm very glad to have been able to join you.
Can you see everybody? You should have 6 people on your screen.
Yes, well, I can see 4 anyway.
Okay, fair enough. Actually, you don't need me. You know what I look like.